Hafiz. In the air and a bit of swing, and immediately a thick edge that's challenging the rope and gets there. Evening, Robin Jackman.
Evening, Dan. Evening, everybody. Good atmosphere in here tonight. Very good atmosphere. Outside edge. That's raced away to the third man. Boundary for 4 on the left of third man this time.
Well, that edge is going well from Hafiz. 2 useful deliveries that have gone away for 4 on 2 occasions. This is better though. Lovely strike. 3 boundaries in the first over. It's 12 for none. Mitch Starc. Got him! It's all over already! For Nazir! He's got a blob! Castled by the debutant!
Fascinating to see if he swung that. Nazir gone for 0, 13 for 1.
Mainly back in as a strength. This young fella, Sandeep. Back into right-handers and then just enough away. Certainly does swing it both ways. He is talent for the future. That's a great Yorker and still gets something on it for 4. It is running the way of the home side tonight.
Huge appeal from the Australians. They're up for an LBW. They shook side.
Lovely late movement from the bowler. And he's going to get punished again. 11 off the over. Meza.
Oh, and very, very clever. That's a magnificent shot. It's the sort of shot you've got to play. Right, so how are they going to go about this? 3 men on the deep, in the deep on the onside. 2 deep on the offside. And that's in the air. This will be out. Will it be out? Yes. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. You just don't see Australians dropping catches like this in the deep.
And especially if you're his brother. It's Michael Erti who's dropped.
To go for him, that's for sure. Let's see what Mohamed Hafiz does here. Oh, well played. Well played. That wasn't a very good ball. Too fast and too wide. Hafiz grabs his cap and goes marching away. It's 44 for 1.
Good partnership continuing between Hafiz and Jamshed. They need possibly another 30 from this pair. Carry on for another 3-4 overs at least.
That's down the ground, beautifully hit, lovely and straight, 1 bounce 4. Well, that's the way to play them. If you're going to hit it in the air down the ground, go straight over the umpire's head.
Well, the precision was remarkable.
Akmal has been recognized as one of the best one when you talk about 2020. Over the top this time. The field is coming under. Is he going to get it? No. That's gone all the way. That is a big hit.
First boundary 6 of the evening. Beautifully struck. He got some. That's a poor delivery. We've all done it. What they don't want to do is start to try to up this tempo and get themselves losing 4 wickets in 2 overs and then everything stops. That's beautiful. Full toss, yes, but beautifully put away by Duncan. That might be out. No, it's skill. Oh, what a catch! Unbelievable catch. Smeared down the long on. This time it is taken. That's a beautiful stroke. That's the sort of stroke that you'll see in any form of this game. This ball is a little bit wide, he's allowed it.
Off just 9. Lovely little deft touch. Not all about brute strength and smashing it. Wonderful stroke.
Yeah, you've got to play this sweep shot. It's something the Australians are going to have to do against the spin of Pakistan. He's hit that one hard and into the gap for 4. Well, lovely shot. Just a quick look at the boundary first.
Look at that in slow-mo and see him hold on to it. Yeah, high full toss and disappears. Looking to square leg whether it was a height for the no ball. Smoke through cover, and there's nothing Mike Hussey can do on the fence. It was hit.
He's on strike still, 34 of 20.
And giving it some more, and it's almost 6. Now we're going to go upstairs, I reckon. There's another big dive. Now they're going to go upstairs because this would be an incredible save if it had.
There we go. Look at him take off. Oh, that's unbelievable. Oh boy, he's a real athlete.
Also, little photo opportunities galore. Going to watch the cricket. And this is over cover for 4 more. It's a chance for Umar Akmal, a youngster, to get into double figures. His first boundary. Umar Akmal has got a bit of bottom hand in this. And gone. Couldn't get it all the way. And Akmal is on 37. Up against Dan Christian. Slower ball. And sliced away with 3rd man up inside the circle. It's going to be 4 more. Akmal.
Hafiz is the off spinner with the new ball. Warner is down the track, flicks it for 4. It's gone all the way. I think it hits the rope on the foot.
Just turned a fraction too much. Well, ours is nice. It's really nice. He sat back and waited, and the new ball is racing to the fence, and it's 4. So.
That's another great strike. Beautifully done through the onside. Warner has played 3 lovely shots. What a good over for Warner.
Looking forward to this one. Where does Warner go against Sohail?
He goes big, he goes straight, and he goes for 6. What a shot from Warner.
Well, I'm looking forward to this. This is what happened the other night. Hafiz just bowled one and then handed it over to Umar Gul.
And in round 4 of them, just the kind of start that will put Umar Gul under pressure. He's unstoppable, Warner. Hafiz is still. That shot now is very good with that length. Shane Watson passed it away from the fielder. Umar Akmal with a big drive, but it's a 4. Why wasn't he selected in the ICC team? That's a big question. Oh, bowled and beautifully done. Saeed Ajmal has done it again. And he's removed the dangerous Warner. Now what a shot. Really what's special from Saeed Ajmal. The crowd scores in excess of 30. Ballistic start, 40 for 1, but it's Saeed Ajmal who's picked up a wicket.
Well, that's well played. That's well played. He's got it into the gap. He needed that. The Australians needed that. Mohammad Hafiz taking time, setting the field back into the attack. He got smashed when he bowled that first over of his. And he's got smashed again. That's a magnificent hit way up into the boxes up there. Oh boy, that is a really good shot. A few more of those. Wonderful to see all these people in the ground. Obviously a lot of them are Pakistan workers in the area who've come out to watch their team play. Down the ground, beautifully struck. Oh, it's beautifully struck for 6. Well, they didn't jump out of their seats then, did they? Right, let's see where this one goes. He's good at bowling Yorkers too. He's going to try and do that. It's down the ground. This is going to be caught. It's going to be six. It's six. It's caught over the top. Just for a second, it looked as if Housewell was going to get his fingers to it, but it just kept going. One bowler, one end, at the other end. Oh, well played, well played. Will this go for four, or will he cut it off? Yes, it's gone for four. Good timing again. That's a good over for the Australians. 79 for 1.
Pakistan need a couple of wickets.
Oh, that's adjacent, is it? And given by the umpire, it's looked out. And it's picked out the dangerous one. This is what Pakistan needed. He's brought them back into this game. What a game. There's a shot fine in place. Without attempted scoop. Chance for a run out, and it's a direct hit in his ball. He's on the floor. The umpire has called for a review, but I think direct hit. And he's gone. Umar Akmal with a bullseye.
Pakistan fielders got in really close in these last couple of overs, and they're celebrating, and invariably they know. Invariably they know, and they do.
Had got to the ball very quickly. Out is the call, and well, the crowd absolutely loving it. Direct hit. George Bailey on his birthday. 30 today. The Australian captain. Fielder in the right position as well. Oh, goes big. It's gone up in the air. Will this be taken? It falls short. After a good arm. 2 to George Bailey. It's a big hit. That's gone. That's 6. Magnificent strike. He produces a beauty under pressure. 100 comes up for Australia. And has kept it nice and tight. And that's a reverse. And well, that's gone through the leg. Now that is bad fielding. That really is bad. Who is the culprit? It's Saeed Ajmal. 104 for 3.
Mike Hussey up against Umar Gould. Short one and a miss hit, and Goldberger. Here goes Mr. Cricket. He has surrendered for 23 at a vital stage of this game. Try to go downtown and hit it big over the rope, but he's been undone.
Malik.
Short one, and there goes the birthday boy. The skipper has done the trick this time. Beautiful. Who has had his off stump disturbed. Wonderful bowling from Sahel Tanvir. And the team come together and give it the high fives. They know they've got another danger man out and back in the hut. These one-day formats. To get away is Ajmal. Had to go big. He's got enough of it. What a way to finish the 18th over. The skipper smokes 1 for 6. Here he comes. Inside edge, and there he goes. Bailey, that is, with another boundary. He goes to 37 from 24, his third boundary to go with 2. On their birthday, the Aussies lost on all 3 of those occasions. Can George change it? And he's looking like he can. Full toss, bottom edge. It's another boundary. There's the Yorker. I don't know why Umar Gould's appealing, because he squirted this, and here's a run out. Goal! Direct hit! They're hitting everything at the moment, the Pakistanis. And Wade has been run out.
I don't think Umar Gould should mind that was there an LBW or not, because that's gone. Yasir Arafat threw the ball straight at stump, and Wade doesn't really.
Delivery left in the 19th. Dan Christian certainly did it in the field with his catching, diving and saving runs. Golden touch to finish it off with the bat. Great attempted Yorker. And Wade wanted to come back for 2. Direct hit. Well, he's not even in the frame. Yasser Arafat with the throw from deep near the fence. Third man. Little naked appeal. And adrenaline will be pumping through the neck of Razak. Here we go. Bailey gets a short, slow bouncer. Is it out? Yes, it is. The crowd have erupted here in Dubai and gone crazy. First ball of the series, and Abdul Razak has got a wicket. Sensational scenes here for the home side. Brilliant stuff. Bailey, the captain, has to go. Couldn't see it off to the end. He's gone for 42, 7 down for 142. Razak.
Well, more than the players, the families are feeling the pressure. This is Mrs. Umar Go.
Mike Hussey was set and got out, and same with Shane Watson. Big! Oh, disappearing! This one has gone over the fence to silence this huge crowd. Can you believe it? One from one needed, and Cummins is making a hero of himself. They're out of their seats. Can Razak be the ultimate hero? Scores are level. Here we go. Last ball. Straight up in the air. Who's calling for it? There we go. He couldn't finish it, Cummins. We're going to have a super over.